Hey, a very good Saturday to you. I'm CNY Central First Alert Meteorologist Matt Stevens. Hope this very early part of the weekend is going well for you. If you're a fan of the heat and the humidity, well, certainly a great weekend for you compared especially to our last weekend, Memorial Day. Now let's, as we often do this time of the weekend, we'll take a look back 1 year ago today. 69 degrees was our high on this date last year. We're going to be quite a bit warmer than that today, officially forecasting a high up around 87 degrees. That's well above average. By the way, a typical high this time of the year is in the low to middle 70s, and we're forecasting a high up around 87 degrees. So that would be significantly above average, a good 14 degrees or so above average. A couple spotty showers and thunderstorms firing up in this moist and increasingly unstable atmosphere, especially midday and into this afternoon. So let's compare this to our average, our typical numbers, our records. 74 degrees is our typical high temperature for this time of the year. Forecasting a high of 87, so I think we're closer to our record high for the state, which is 91 degrees. That was set back in 1954. Our typical low this time of the year, 52 degrees, 34 degrees our record low. That one is safe. That was set back in 1945. Our sunrise 5:28, our sunset 8:38, and yesterday nothing new picked up rainfall wise at the Syracuse Hancock Airport. That means for what we call meteorological spring, that's March, April, May. Of course, that came to an end yesterday as we're June 1st, of course, today. Well, for meteorological spring, we had a rainfall surplus, even though we had a deficit for nearly the entire spring. Right at the end, we had a surge, a significant surge of water, and we ended up with a slight surplus of about 0.16 or 16/100ths of an inch of rain of surplus at the Syracuse Hancock Airport. Here's a futurecast. Picked up 8 o'clock this morning. Going to run this out through the middle of today. Note by midday and into this afternoon, we start to flare up a few showers and storms in this warm and humid atmosphere. Hour by hour through this evening, isolated shower or storm around, otherwise variable cloud cover with some patchy fog. Then through the day Sunday, numerous showers and thunderstorms are likely. Some of them could be strong to severe with a cold front moving through. Primary threats currently appear to be the potential for some damaging gusty winds. We'll keep you posted on that, of course. We're going to be watching that very closely for you. So here's my hour-by-hour forecast. Heading through this morning, humid and isolated shower or storm. I think we get spotty showers and storms by midday and into this afternoon to flare up. Breezy, humid, 87 degrees. Those winds southwest by this afternoon at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Hour by hour through this evening, couple hit-or-miss showers or storms turning isolated, patchy fog. It's going to be a warm one overnight. Overnight lows dropping down to the upper 60s. That's well above average for this time of the year. Here's my 7-day forecast. There's that 87 for today and our 68 for tonight. For our Sunday, numerous widespread showers and thunderstorms. Again, some of them could be strong to severe. Limited breaks of sun by late day. Humid, breezy, 83 degrees, and starting to taper off that activity by late day. 56 for Sunday night. Any isolated evening showers or storms give way to partial clearing, some patchy fog, and a drier feel to the atmosphere. A very different air mass will be building in Sunday night and through the day Monday. Maybe slow in coming Monday with just an isolated shower popping up, some residual energy and moisture. 69 degrees our projected high temperature. That's actually below average for this time of the year. For Tuesday, that dry air mass is in firm control. Mostly sunny skies. Our projected high up around the upper 60s. Low 70s by Wednesday with that same dome of dry, fair weather high pressure. Got a little weak energy and moisture going to try and scoot in here for Thursday and Friday. We'll call it a couple isolated showers and storms popping up with temperatures in the 70s.